गोयच्यो मीन खणी बंद आसात. मीन खणी बंद पडिल्ल्यान खणींचेर काम करपी कामगार रस्त्यार पडल्यात. गोयचे सरकार आनी मंत्री मीन खणी बंद जाल्ल्यान बेकार जाल्ले कामगार आनी हेर ल्हान धंदो करपी लोकांक मीन खणी बेगिनात चालू करपाचे आश्वासन दितात. मात गोयचो भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे म्हणटा सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान दिल्ल्या निर्णयाचो आदर करपाक जाय. बेश्टेत कितेंय केलें म्हूण जायना.
70 लागता आमकां मायनिंग कसले परिस्थितीन चालू जाल्लें जाय. कशेंय चालू करा पूण चालू करा. तुमकां कितें वाट काडूंक जाय वाट काडा. पूण मेन म्हणजे आमकां आयजच्या दिसा लोकांचे ही ट्रक ओनर हांचो वर्कर आहा हांचो इंट्रस्ट कसो प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो सरकारांनी सारको विचार करून ते पावलां घेतले. आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा की सरकार त्याच तरेन वयतले. आयज जो लोक आहा, जो एम्प्लॉई आहा, जो ट्रक ओनर आहा, ह्या लोकांक कशें आमी प्रोटेक्ट करतले हे मॉडल घेवनूच फुडें वचूंक जाय.
तेणी धमकी दिल्या की तुमी समज स्टार्ट करना जाल्यार पार्लमेंट इलेक्शनाक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भितर येवपाक दिवपाना.
अशें धमकी दिवन सोल्युशन गावना. सुप्रीम कोर्टान डिसिजन दिल्लें आसा. धमकी दिवंक जाय जाल्यार ह्या तरेची भाशा वापरून सोल्युशन येवचें ना. ऐसा मत बोलिए, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का डिसीजन है. यू हैव टू गो बाय द लॉ. एंड सेकंड थिंग इज वी हैव टू इवेल्युएट व्हाट इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन अवेलेबल फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. ऑल कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स आर यूनाइटेड with the people of Goa to restart mining. It's a Supreme Court decision. Supreme Court decision cannot be just passed just like offhand like that and you do what you want. It cannot be done. So Supreme Court decision is something that has to be respected and honored. Government of India also has to check if they come with a particular stand, what will be the stand in Supreme Court, because the person who went to the Supreme Court will again go to Supreme Court. So you have to have a foolproof methodology in the state of Goa. Chief Minister is working on it. In spite of his illness, he is working on it. All the allies are united for resumption of mining. Each and every MLA in the house, especially the BJP and its allies, our whole objective is to protect the interests of the truck owners and the mining workers.
गोयचे मीन खणी चालू करपा खातीर खासा विधानसभा अधिवेशन घेवपाची गरज ना. काँग्रेसीक दिसता म्हूण अधिवेशन घेवन कांयच फायदो ना. तांचे कडेन उपाय ना अशें विश्वजीत राणेन सांगलें.
Assembly session is a requirement which
there is no need of any assembly at the moment. Even if you have to do something, it has to first you have to get the structure in place. If the structure in place, you have to then work out the modalities and what the model you are going to adopt. That has to be first agreed on, and then after that there can be a discussion between everybody. That's the point. What is happening? People also get frustrated. You cannot blame them.
मीन खणी कोणा खातीर बंद जाल्यात हाचे परस हो विशय सुटावो करपाची गरज आसा आनी ते करपा खातीर 40 आमदार एकठांय आसात असो दाखलो राणेन दिलो.
सरकारान परिस्थिती गोंयाचेर हाडूंक ना. विरोधी पक्ष फक्त बोबो मारता. विरोधी पक्ष कडेन सोल्युशन आहा, तांकां सोल्युशन आहा. ते म्हणटा आमी सत्तेर आयल्यार सोल्युशन हाडटले. तेंचे तकलेन भरला भुसो. तेंचे लिडरांक सगळे मायनिंग जेन्ना चालू असले कितें गोंधळ घातला सगळ्या अख्ख्या गोंयाक खबर आहा. ते तुमी सांगपाची गरज ना.
Fully Congress is responsible for this all mess.
No, I never said that. I never said anybody is responsible. I said the Supreme Court had given a decision due to which we are in this situation. Now we have to work around this to see how to restart mining. We are of the opinion that mining should start at any extent. We want that the interests of the truck owners and the workers are protected at any cost, and this must be done. Each and every member of the assembly is united in this. But why I am saying this, because Congress always tries to play politics on this. This politics, however much Congress plays, there is an answer to everything. But we are not here to do sort of a cross fight with each other. We must all unite to see that mining starts. And all of us are united. Everybody is trying to work out various options to start mining. So let the Chief Minister and the concerned officials decide how to navigate it further. I want to go on record to say all 40 MLAs are united, and the BJP and its allies will play a major role in seeing that mining is started. There is no difference of opinion between us, irrespective. Somebody says that the dates are being given of 15th, somebody is giving 20th. ते जावना तशें जायना. ते शांत तकली घालून करचें पडटा.